Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of ginger candies. It's an lots of healthy benefits. Let's check the recipe. Before checking the recipe, I want to show the benefits of the ginger. With the help of ginger, you can reduce the cold and cough. Lots of healthy benefits, and for stomach problems, to prevent the cancer, and good for your heart too. Let's check the recipe how I'm making. These are the very small quantity and ingredients too. This is ginger, 50 grams ginger, jaggery 100 grams, double the quantity, 50 grams ginger and 100 grams jaggery, cloves, make into powder, and salt. You can add honey also if you skip the jaggery or sugar. This is the recipe for ginger candies. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the vessel, cut the ginger pieces into very small, you can see dices, and pour it in this. Add a little bit of water to make a fine paste. Make a fine paste. And add little bit of water to make this much fine paste is enough, and keep into the bowl. Without switch on the flame, take the vessel and add ginger paste. And add jaggery. Resist for 10 minutes. It will lose the water consistency. After 10 minutes, you can check the looseness, then switch on the flame. Let's cook it until it comes a very thickened gravy, and the jaggery also melted well when you are giving rest. It will come closer when you cook it well. Doctor recommends 3 to 4 grams of ginger pieces extract per day. Don't recommend for children's above 2 age. It's thicken the gravy, you can see. Next, add pinch of salt. Only pinch of salt is enough. Cloves, crush into nicely and make a fine powder. Now I am adding into this. It will help to the cold and cough. Cloves or lavang. Let's stir it for 5 minutes on low flame. When you are using the candies or anything, you can cook it on a low flame. Otherwise, it will burn easily and smells also burning smell. And little bit came to closer consistency. I am getting a nice ginger flavor and jaggery. Jaggery is very useful for the immunity power too. It boosts the energy. It's thickened well and coated into the ladle. You can see how it's thickens. Come closer to the batter, then make a round balls. Apply the oil. See how I am making. Like this, and keep it in a plate. When you are cooking the jaggery and ginger, you can get like this and make into small balls. How much quantity, like tablets, and make a round balls. See how I am making. For 100 grams of jaggery and 50 grams of ginger, you can get easily 20 small round balls. Wow, finally ginger candies is ready. You can see the small balls. It's very tempting too. The daily ginger supplements may reduces the loss of blood during the menstruation, so it is best for women in periods time. Ginger and jaggery candies. And it's very helpful to the gastric problems also. And thanks for watching.